Hello friends, welcome to Shiksha Academy. Today we are going to learn place value. Which digit is in the ones place? Number is 85. 85 means 8 tens and 5 ones. At one place there is 5. Which digit is in the tens place? Number is 132. At tens place there is a 3. Which digit is in the hundred place? The number is 359. The answer is at hundred place there is a 3. Next, which digit is in the ones place? The number is 42. 42 means 4 tens and 2 ones. At one place there is a 2. Which digit is in the tens place? Number is 931. At tens place there is a 3. Which digit is in the hundred place? The number is 712. At hundred place there is a 7. Which digit is in the ones place? Number is 107. At one place there is a 7. Which digit is in the tens place? 630. At tens place there is 1. Which digit is in the hundred place? 801. At hundred place there is 8. Thank you for watching.